anxious thought, for I take thought for nothing but love. And the ill speakers will say that a knight should think of other things, but I say that it is not so at all. For from love proceeds, whoever may say it. What is worth more to folly and to wisdom? And everything a man does for love is noble. Love has so many good offices that it aids all gracious deeds. And I see no good servant whom I do not think a sharer in it. For good worth would not eagerly grow easily if it did not come through a beloved. Then they all say whenever a man does a failing, it well seems from this that he does not set his mind on ladies. A lady cannot have otherwise if she does not love worth and valor. For just as her lovers have more of all surpassing good qualities, she who does not choose too much among them is worth more to the one who chastises her for it. So she does ill if she does not strive to improve, but she must believe upright chastisement. And if I am held for a great talker, because to a lady or to a lord no faithful counselor should consent to dishonor, I shall not leave off saying, though I never contradicted, what ladies will do against youth if it seems to me of bad conduct. And of these lying lovers who think they have great praise, and of a lady who attaches herself to them, let none of them be my enemy for it. For neither enemy nor she enemy harms the worth of a single fig, provided my lady has a firm will toward me and less pride and more discernment. But she holds me in great wondering, yet through the semblance of the best I have played the game for 5 whole years. But a false, beggarly lady, may God curse her. Put this trouble between us, for which many times I have wept grievously afterward. God bless whoever wishes that you be my friend. And if I have done you pleasure or honor, still if it please you, I shall do it 100-fold. Mantle, whoever eagerly grows in such a way, well shall he be esteemed, whoever may say it. For I never won him through gold or through silver, but through valor and through worth and through wisdom. The little shepherd do not at all neglect, if God gives you the joy of a beloved, to show my lady how noble it is for her, if she knows how to hold Miraval freely. Little song go to my lady, running so that she may maintain worth and remain in